Imagine waking up tomorrow, checking your phone, and seeing that you made money while you were sleeping. Sounds amazing, right? That's exactly what the internet keeps selling us. Build passive income. Make money while you sleep. Escape the 9 to 5. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Passive income isn't the lie. The way it's sold to you is. And once you understand the difference, you'll never look at money the same way again. Think about every passive income video you've ever seen. Someone sitting on a beach, laptop open, coffee in one hand, thousands of dollars magically appearing in their bank account. It looks effortless, almost too effortless. But here's what those videos rarely show you. The years of work before that moment. The failed businesses, the late nights, the mistakes, the money they risked. Because make money while you sleep gets clicks. Work for 5 years before it becomes passive doesn't. Here's the idea that completely changed how I think about passive income. Nothing starts passive, everything starts active. Our brains love shortcuts. Psychologists call it effort minimization. Whenever we're given two paths, one difficult, one easy, our brain naturally wants the easier one. That's why passive income sounds so irresistible. Not because we're lazy, because our brain is designed to conserve energy. And the internet knows this. That's why every day you're shown headlines like, earn $10,000 a month with no work. One AI tool changed my life. Make money in your sleep. They're selling the dream, not the process. And when reality doesn't match the dream, most people quit before they've built anything valuable. But here's the part almost nobody talks about. The wealthiest people aren't obsessed with passive income. They're obsessed with building assets. There's a huge difference. An asset is something that keeps creating value, even when you're not actively working. A business, an investment, a rental property, a YouTube channel, even a book. But here's what all of them have in common. Someone had to build them first. Think of a fruit tree. The first year, you're digging, planting, watering, waiting. Nothing looks exciting. But eventually, the tree starts producing fruit. People see the fruit. They don't see the years spent growing the tree. That's exactly how wealth works. So the next time someone promises easy passive income, ask yourself one question. What asset did they build before the income became passive? Because real wealth isn't built by chasing shortcuts. It's built by creating something valuable, then giving it enough time to work for you. The goal was never to stop working. The goal was to stop trading every hour of your life for money. That's a very different game. So let me ask you, what's one asset you'd love to start building today? Drop it in the comments. I'm genuinely curious. This is Wealth Rebellion, where we don't just learn how money works, we learn why people think about money the way they do. I'll see you in the next one.